welcome to my channel. I wanted to come on here because one, I'm super new to this and I figured I would just introduce myself. My name is Shakira. I am first a woman of God, I'm a wife, and I'm a mother to 4 lovely little humans. I'm also a licensed esthetician, certified acne specialist, and certified herbalist. So all the good deets to bring to you here on this channel. So you're probably wondering, what can you expect? So here it is. Definitely skincare, major skincare knowledge coming to you guys straight on this platform here, on top of some cool herbal remedies. We got some tea time going. I'm going to show you guys how to make some decoctions, concoctions, different type of herbal medicine remedies for common ailments that you may be struggling with. And also, I know what it means to be on a budget, so definitely some DIY skincare tips as well. But I just felt like, you know, God has given me this vision to really show everyone on a bigger platform all of this knowledge and kind of just introduce you guys to the world of skincare, because I feel like it's not enough people out there really telling it to you, letting you know exactly what to do and how to do it right. And so I want to be able to do that for you guys, but on top of having a good time as well and leaving you feeling flawless, feeling good from the inside out, because I'm huge on holistic approach. So that's going to be my biggest thing as well. Really starting from the inside out. So whether it's your herbal things that you got going on, different ailments, or even like your skincare, all of it always starts from the inside out. So that's my approach for you guys. I cannot wait. I'm super excited for you guys to join me and just to really take a look, and I hope you guys really enjoy everything that this channel has to offer.